What's up, man? You want to play Resident Evil until 6 o'clock again?
No, I can't. I got a big day tomorrow.
Oh yeah? What's happening tomorrow?
I have a job interview. I really want to get this one.
Is that what all these papers and stuff are for?
Yeah, I gotta prepare.
I see. Alright, well, best of luck. Dress to impress.
Thanks. I'm gonna go prepare my clothes right now. God, there's nothing here. I gotta do my laundry.
Hey, you doing a load?
Yeah. Can't put together any of my clean clothes.
Hasn't anyone ever told you about separating whites and colors? What, are you gonna throw all that stuff in there?
Well, I do this all the time. Nothing bad ever happens. Plus, I'll just iron my lucky shirt in the morning.
Anyway, I'm off to sleep if you don't want to play anything.
Good night.
Night.
I gotta get up early tomorrow. What? Where are my clothes? Gary?
What are you yelling about, dude?
Where are my clothes, Gary?
Well, you put them in the dryer, right?
I did, but they're not in there. What'd you do with them?
I was asleep. I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop messing around, Gary. Not in the mood.
Oh, dude, calm down. Let's be cool.
I'm not gonna be cool, Gary. Where are my clothes?
I don't know, I swear. I didn't touch them. I don't know where they could be. Please don't hurt me.
Sorry, Gary,
It's alright, Lou.
What am I gonna do, Gary? My interview's in an hour and I don't have anything to wear. Never mind my lucky shirt. I don't have a shirt.
You could borrow some of my clothes.
I'm sorry, Gary, I've seen your wardrobe. I'd be better off going in my pajamas.
Yeah, you're probably right about that. But, hey, let's check the dryer again. Maybe there's a stray shirt or something that you missed.
I mean, go ahead, but I know what I saw.
What? What's this?
What? What did you find?
It says, Dear William, sorry, but I took your clothes. I'll give them back later when I'm done with them. Not sure when that will be. They seem like a lot of fun. Sorry for any inconvenience. Signed, the Portal Master. P.S. If you really need your clothes back earlier, then just hop in the dryer and turn it on.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, read it yourself if you want.
Well, I guess it's worth a shot.
Whoa, you realize that's a drying machine, right?
Yeah, but I can't get clothes in the appropriate time, and if I go like this, I mean, might as well just not go. This is my best chance.
Okay, but it's also crazy.
Yeah, I know, but I really want this job. Just turn on the dryer when I get inside.
Okay, man.
Alright, just put it on the delicate setting.
You alright?
Yeah, turn it on.
Okay. Will? Everything okay? Will? Will! I'm opening the door. Will?
Gary, I think I broke it. Gary?
Bienvenuto, bienvenue, willkommen and welcome. Добро пожаловать.
Who are you?
I am the shaman of Akrak.
What is this place?
It cannot be anything other than what it is right now. What do you think it is?
Akrak, I guess, since you said that's where you're from.
Wrong. This isn't Akrak. I am from Akrak, but this is not it.
Then what is it?
Why don't you sit down?
Look, I don't have time for this. I'm looking for...
Your clothes?
Yes. And...
The Portal Master as well, isn't it?
yes. Do you know him?
I do know him.
Do you know where he is?
That I don't know. He can be in so many places.
Great.
He's the one who took your clothes. He is, isn't he? He can be quite silly sometimes.
How do you know all of this?
It's in the smoke, you see. It's quite easy to read as far as most smoke signs go.
See? There are your clothes. And there they go, skittering away.
Where did they go?
They went somewhere. That way.
You don't know where they went, do you?
I know they went.
Great help you are. Now what am I supposed...
Shh!
What?
Quiet!
It's so funny.
Nothing. Nothing.
What are you doing? Where are you going?
Come, come! Here it is.
Here is what? Nothing is there.
Ah, but there is.
You just have to know how to look.
You're crazy. Where did this come from?
Incorrect.
What? What do you mean?
It was always there, you see.
You mean if we kept on walking, we would have tripped over it?
No. It's the spirit of the box that remained. You can't get rid of something so easily.
Great, we found a spirit box. Now what?
That is where he went, you see. The culprit with your clothes. He tried to hide the box from you. But you can't get rid of the spirit so easily.
It's just a wild goose chase.
Do these geese wear human socks?
Wait, that's my sock.
See? In the box you go now.
What? What are you
You want your clothes? Get in the box.
Wait, my blanket. That's my...
I wonder what he was going to say.
Blanket. That looks like my blanket. I wonder where the music is.
To see ya.
You too? You know my name?
What do you mean two? Thought I was the only one here.
Well, here, yes. But in the other place...
What? You're telling me someone, somewhere else, knows who you are? Not very surprising, William.
But how do you know my name?
How? What do you mean, how? All of this is all thanks to you. You're a legend, man.
What? Whatever. I need to find the portal master and my clothes now.
Can't speak to exactly where the portal master is. He can be anywhere. He's definitely got your clothes.
He does?
Yeah, don't worry about that right now. Watch this.
Shaman had my blanket. Wait a minute.
What's up?
Those are my clothes.
Yeah, I know. Awesome stuff, man.
Where did you get them?
Portal master, of course.
I need them back.
Yeah, I was just gonna...
No, now.
Alright. You're the boss. Let me go change. I'll give it back to you. But in the meantime, listen to this song. It'll blow your mind.
Hello, William.
Of course you know my name. Seems like everyone else here knows my name, but I don't know anyone else's. What's your name?
That's none of your concern. But go ahead and have a seat. I'll be happy to answer any other questions you may have. Just don't push it.
What is this place?
This place, this is my office. It's where I do my business.
No, I mean this place. It seems like I keep going from one place to another. Is this some sort of different world?
Different from what?
Different from where I came from. You must know where I came from. Is this like a different parallel universe?
No, it's not like that. These places that you've been to, this place, even me, we're all products of the Portal Master.
But what does that have anything to do with my clothes?
You're not getting it. Portal Master liked your clothes. That's why he took them from your dryer. Unlucky, a fluke. It's unfortunate for you, I guess. But you see, the Portal Master uses your clothes to create all these illusions. In this world, as you call it, Portal Master can do whatever he wants. And you use your clothes as inspiration.
I suppose you are wearing my suit.
I think it's time for you to leave.
Not without that suit.
Tiny, hold him down.
Tiny? Who's that? There's nobody else here but us.
You call him Tiny because the way his hands come up over the chair makes him look small.
Are you gonna kill me?
I prefer to look at it more along the lines of setting you free. That face. You know, everyone makes that face. Why can't you people just accept the fact I'm going to shoot you?
God, I'm sick and tired of this shit. Where are my clothes?
Where's your gun, son?
I don't have a gun.
You know, you should really come prepared for these kinds of things. Here. Go on, pick it up.
High noon stand up, really? Not good at that sort of thing.
Don't worry, boy. Compared to me, nobody is.
Comforting words. You know, the last guy shot me too. Real original.
Holster it, boy. Then we can start.
You mean so that you can kill me?
Better just get it over with.
I'm in no rush. Plus I won't die anyway. I'll just go into a new illusion like the last guy said.
I've never been big on silly traditions. It won't matter if you just hold it in your hand or put it in a holster. I'll still be faster than you. When this coin drops, shoot.
What makes you think I won't break your rules?
It won't matter.
Where did you come from? How the hell did you do that?
Samurai can do anything. I'm the Portal Master.
You're the one who...
Now's not the time. Alright, get it all out.
You suck, man. Why would you do that? I have a job interview today. WTF?
Look, I was gonna give you back your clothes. Just didn't know about your circumstances.
That doesn't mean you can just take them.
Okay, won't do it again.
No, please explain what just happened to me.
You went into one of my portals and fell into my world of illusions, William. And here, only the imagination can limit what exists. This place feeds off the thoughts and feelings of the people that are in it. I've been leading you through a bit of a game since you got here. I get a bit bored by myself.
So you've been using me for your own entertainment? While I frantically scrambled to try to secure my future? I went into the dryer, man. I was desperate. Could you not see that?
Sorry, William, but to be honest, I've had a lot of fun. Haven't had this much fun in a while.
Well, I'm glad I could help, but why me? Could you have picked some other person's life to ruin?
I didn't pick you, William. It was chance. Sometimes I venture into your world on little adventures. Just happened to create a portal into your dryer.
How does that work exactly?
From here, I have the power to go anywhere I want in your world. All I have to do is create a door here and think of any other door in your reality. I can peek through the keyhole, so to speak, if I want. But lately, I just wing it.
Well, I would have never believed you if I weren't here now.
Oh no, this is not good.
What?
That thing.
I thought you killed it.
So did I.
What is it?
You have to understand, this world isn't easy to control. I left the cowboy's body and created the samurai, but when I did so, I left a void in its place. When an entity like that is created, has an imagination all its own, and it can create and destroy things in this world itself. It doesn't like competition.
Why'd you do that?
Seemed like fun.
But you've done this before.
Yeah, but they've never gotten back up. Should have destroyed this illusion while I still could. I can help you get to your interview on time, but you have to help me defeat it.
What makes you think I'll trust you?
You don't have a choice. William, help!
What do I do?
I don't know. Imagine something.
Imagine what, a gun? This doesn't seem to be working.
Then just get creative.
Angry bird!
Not bad. Yo, let's bust a cap in this fool.
Bust a cap? What am I supposed to bust a cap with?
Use the code, son.
Light him up.
Yeah, boy.
Let's change it up.
Товарищ Трусковский. Fire the missile.
Да, сэр. He's using light from the explosion. It's blinding.
What do we do?
Cast darkness.
Darkness, hear the words I tell. Take hold this room and do me well. Now let us join our powers.
Awesome, now I can kick that monster's ass.
The honor's all yours. Hey, it's cool. It's dead.
Are you sure?
Yes, I've seen this before. I've created a portal to your clothes. Go put them on and let's go to your interview.
Alright. Where to now?
Excellent. Follow me. Your interview is right through here, sir.
It's no use.
What do you mean?
There's like 30 people in there. It's useless.
You gonna give up now? After everything you just went through?
Fine, I'll go interview, but the odds are stacked against me.
Don't worry about that. I'll take care of it.
Whatever you say.
Alright. Now to work some of my portal magic. Hello everyone, good morning. I am the hiring manager here at Wilson and Chauncey. I have a lot of interviews to get through today, so let's get started. Let's see, first up is Mr. William Anderson. This is Mr. Anderson here.
Yeah.
Yes? Alright. Come on in, Mr. Anderson. who's next, people? Looks like Robert Fletcher. Is Robert in the house?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright, come on through. Alright, let's fill up that interview pipeline. Lots of interviewees, lots of interviewers. David Duncan. Do we have a David Duncan?
Sure.
Alright, let's keep it moving, keep it going smooth. Reese Berkowitz.
Yeah, that's me.
Alright, Reese. How'd it go, Will?
I think it went pretty well. But why are you here? Where's everyone else?
Told you I'd take care of it.
What'd you do?
Portal magic, baby. I sent everyone in the world of illusions to interview for this job. All I had to do was create an interview environment over there 30 times and then have them fill in the blanks.
So, what does that mean?
Basically, however the interview goes in their minds, that's how it will actually go in the illusion. But of course, none of it's real.
So no competition?
That's right. Job's all yours.
Awesome! Thanks. So what's your real name? I mean, you're real enough to make this happen.
Don't worry about it. I'll be in touch. Alright, thank you, William. And next up is Reese Berkowitz. Everyone left. They just left the interview like they don't care. This is just William. God, that's sad. I thought it was a cool job. I thought we had something cool going on here, but I guess I was wrong. That's sad. Dang, I didn't even have anything to do today. I was just gonna evaluate these profiles the rest of the day. I guess I can go home, but I don't really want to go home. I haven't been having a great time at home. Going through some stuff. Why am I still here talking to no one about this? I should go into my office and call the receptionist. Just blab about my problems. I should get a dog. Or cats. Yeah, really. The cats, the animal you're supposed to get, right? You're supposed to end up with like 10 cats that you have to feed and take care of. And they don't care about you either, just like your interview candidates. But, you know, tackle your problems head on. Just looking okay?
Sure.
One more.
He's using the light from the explosion. It's blinding. What do we do?
Damn it! You're saying what do we do?
It was just like everything.
What do we do?
I don't know the next line.
Sure. Yeah, just beat me with the stick, however. You know, don't actually beat me with the stick. But...
We'll see. We'll see. Alright, it's on.
Alright, I'm gonna come in behind you, okay? So just keep like stabbing at the body thing. Back up a bit. Yeah, alright. Yeah, people live below us. Alright, just keep going.
Yeah.
Hey, alright. It's dead.
Okay. Is it? So what's your real name? You got what?
Can you do that again? I wasn't wearing my sunglasses. So, be like talking.
Filled with rage. Die.
Okay, get it all out.
You suck, man. Why would you do that? I have an interview.
Job interview today.
Interview job. Interview job.
I have an interview job. This is so terrible. Alright. Get it. Alright. Get it up. Okay. Get it all up.
Totally forgot my line.
Yeah, that's right. I'm in front. Okay. But you've done this before?
But you've done this before, right?
So on your cue, you start being a monster and I'll cut you.
Angry bird!
Okay, don't hit me with the angry bird.
Do you know your lines?
I think so.
I don't.
I don't think you have them.
Okay, good.
There it goes, skittering away.
I don't think you know.
I thought that you had no lines in this part.
Box from you! But you can't get rid of the spirit.
It's just a wild goose chase.
No, that was actually really funny that you walked in there.